Hi, I'm Brian from Easy 4x4. Today we're going to be talking about door carts. And I know you have a lot of choices out there, but I'm here today to show you why the Easy 4x4 door cart is the way to go. All of these door carts are designed to hold 2 or 4 doors, but there are major differences in design and function that make the Easy door cart the superior choice for lightweight portable storage that won't damage your doors. Doors cost hundreds of dollars to repaint. A lot of people will actually damage their doors when they're actually trying to put them in the holes. The Easy door cart is designed to protect your doors from damage with features like heavy-duty carpet padding for the base, ABS pin holders that won't damage your paints, and sliding locks to secure your doors in place. Other door carts have minimal padded surfaces or sharp metal elements that can damage your doors. These ABS reinforced with fiberglass attachment points right here are designed so if the door actually bumps up against them, you don't scratch your doors. And with the other ones, there's a lot of metal components around them, so they scratch really easy. Probably the greatest advantage of the Easy door cart is the folding design. When the cart is folded, it fits perfectly in the trunk of your Jeep when you're traveling. The slim, lightweight design even fits in an elevator, so you can wheel your doors right up to your hotel room. The other designs don't fold up and they're really cumbersome to carry with you for traveling. This door cart right here, you've probably seen it around. This EPE foam, it looks like it's really tough, but just using it, you can see how it just rips like that. This padded platform gives you a space to set your doors down while you line up the pins. Other door carts don't give you a place to rest your doors, and it can be a struggle to get your pins lined up. All these other carts, when you're putting your doors on, the metal is in the way. With this cart, there's an open area right here which is specifically designed so nothing interferes with your hands while you're putting it on the cart. The Easy door cart has scratch-free tabs to keep your doors from swinging outward. What's nice about these stops is they're flat and it disperses the load when the doors actually hit it so you don't dent your doors. Some of these carts don't offer the same protection. Without bumpers to hold the doors in place, there's nothing to keep the doors from swinging or falling off. One of the other great features about this, we have a locking mechanism. It actually protects your doors. This goes up and down and goes on top of the door pins. The patent-pending sliding locks are designed to secure your doors in place while they sit safely on the carpet base. The other carts don't offer locks, and it's possible for the doors to slip off. One of the other great things about the cart is the stability. The center of gravity for your doors is in the middle. So when your door is put on here, the door is over the wheels. And that makes it so it's very, very stable. Where the other carts, the center of gravity is actually off. Other door carts have designs that can allow the doors to shift and the carts tip over. The balanced design of the Easy door cart allows it to be moved over bumps without tipping over. The Easy door cart's slim design also allows it to fit through tighter spaces than other door carts to take up as little space as possible during storage. Other door carts just don't offer the same level of versatility. Some won't even roll through a doorway. The other companies are using steel because it's cheaper. The Easy door cart folding frame is constructed using lightweight, rust-free aluminum. The other door carts are made of steel, so they're a lot heavier and they're susceptible to rust. Overall, other storage options don't match up the Easy door cart's user-friendly features. For lightweight portable door storage, the Easy door cart is the clear choice. I'm Brian from Easy 4x4. I'm going to scoot away. Have a great day. If you'd like to know more, please visit us online at easy4x4.com or give us a call to speak to one of our experts.